In this video, I just want to sort of start machining some of the parts for the DIY belt grinder. Mainly, this handle part here to sort of push down this gas spring to put new belts on, and also the tracking wheel mount over here, right there. Diving on into Fusion here, we're going to isolate that little handle guy. So now he's by himself. And this is 1 3/8 around. And I just happen to have that exact piece of stock just sitting around. So no big deal there. Got that, and all we need to do is just make this little profile here and then thread this for a 3/8 16 thread here. Now on the cam side of Fusion 360, you can see how we set up the stock here. Basically, we're just going to take a 1/2 end mill and adaptive out around this thing, and then we'll cut the rest off with this adaptive here. You can see we missed that in the first one, so we'll just take that off afterwards. And then we're just going to contour around this cylindrical part. For the thread pitch, that's 3/8 16, so we do 1 divided by 16, and that's how we come up with the 62.5 thousandths. And the pitch diameter offset is just the major diameter minus the minor diameter. And I have this modeled to the major diameter. It is so cool when you can get the recipe right with a 1/2 end mill and just crank through stuff like that at full depth of cut, and you get these nice long chips. You can't necessarily do that with the shear hog. So you can only go like, I don't know, maybe 1/4 inch deep with the shear hog, but with this, the 1/2 end mill, you can take that full depth of cut. I think that's maybe 1 inch, maybe slightly more than 1 inch. So sometimes it's always nicer to use the 1/2 end mill when you can take a full depth of cut. At least, I think so. And this tracking wheel mount is even easier than the handle. Literally all we're going to do is take this thing to size on the outside and then drill holes. That's it. Super duper simple. And I just manualed it around the outside to get it to size. This is 2.5 by 2.5 inches, and it's a 1/2 inch thick. So this is some of the most simple parts that I've done in a while. So that was just something to really start on for the DIY belt grinder. The rest of the material is on its way, so it should be done fairly soon. I just need the big 3/8 inch plate for the base. I think I have a guy that has a small piece that I can use, and I can just cut the whole thing out on the CNC plasma machine. But other than that, I'm not sure what else I can do for the moment. Everything is ordered and ready to go, just waiting on it. So I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching.